Hey everybody, this is Dr. C, and I just wanted to introduce you to our newsletter this week. We're all worried about infection and viruses and COVID and all of these things that are making us sick, but you want to know what the key is? The key to fighting off these things is a healthy immune system. Now, nothing is going to totally prevent you from getting sick or ill, but what you do want is a healthy, strong immune system that can increase your resistance and possibly lead to less severe infections. So what we've done is we've put our head together with Zymogen, and we've come up with what we think is a really good basic immune pack. It includes vitamin D, zinc, and glutathione, all three of which combine together to strengthen multiple facets of your immune system, and by doing so may lead you to an ability to fight off infections and recover from them faster should they occur. Now again, no one can promise you or guarantee you that you won't get sick, but if I'm going into a pandemic like this, I want to make sure my immune system is strong and vital. And with this pack, we believe that you're going to get a foundation that's going to lead you to do exactly that.